Welcome to Mytharchy Architecture Design Ideas channel. Have you ever looked at a home or garden and felt instantly transported somewhere magical? Maybe it was the way vibrant flowers framed a doorway, or how a wall seemed to come alive with cascading blooms. In the world of architecture and landscape design, few plants create that kind of impact quite like Bougainvillea. It's bold, dramatic, and effortlessly beautiful. Today, we're diving deep into the magic of Bougainvillea, how it can transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary landscapes. Whether you're a homeowner looking for design inspiration or an architect exploring new ways to integrate greenery into your projects, this is for you. Let's uncover the secrets of Bougainvillea and see how it can redefine the way we experience gardens, fences, and homes. This isn't just about adding color, it's about redefining how space feels. The way Bougainvillea spills over a pergola, climbs along a trellis, or wraps around an entryway isn't just visually striking, it's a design choice that invites warmth, romance, and a touch of the exotic. What makes this plant so special? It's not just its vibrant hues ranging from fuchsia and crimson to orange and white. It's also about how effortlessly it adapts to different styles of architecture. Whether it's the old-world charm of a European villa, to modern elegance of a minimalist home, or the rustic appeal of a countryside retreat, Bougainvillea finds its place and thrives. Let's take a closer look at why this plant is a favorite among architects, landscape designers, and homeowners alike. First, Bougainvillea is an incredibly resilient climber. Native to South America, it thrives in warm climates, needing minimal water once established. That's why you will find it flourishing in Mediterranean, tropical, and arid landscapes. But even if you don't live in a year-round warm climate, Bougainvillea can still be grown in containers, allowing you to bring its beauty indoors during colder months. What makes it so versatile? It can be trained in a multitude of ways. Let it sprawl freely for a wild, natural look, or carefully shape it along a wall or fence for a more refined aesthetic. It works equally well as a cascading curtain of color on a balcony or as a neat hedge defining garden pathways. And for those who love symmetry, Bougainvillea can be sculpted into precise forms, framing windows and doors with breathtaking precision. And then, there's the interplay between light and shadow. The way sunlight filters through Bougainvillea's delicate bracts, casting intricate patterns on walls and floors, is nothing short of enchanting. In the morning, it bathes your home in a soft, romantic glow. By afternoon, it creates dramatic contrasts, emphasizing textures and architectural details. And as dusk settles, the last rays of light set its colors ablaze, turning an ordinary structure into a scene straight out of a painting. It's no wonder Bougainvillea has been a favorite in design for centuries. But beyond aesthetics, it also serves practical functions. It provides natural cooling by shading walls and patios, reducing heat absorption in hotter climates. It acts as a windbreaker, offering protection in open landscapes. And when trained along fences or walls, it creates privacy, forming a lush, natural barrier that's both beautiful and functional. Bougainvillea isn't just a plant, it's a statement. It's a bridge between architecture and nature, an artist's brushstroke in an outdoor canvas. Whether you choose to let it run wild or carefully shape it to complement your home's design, one thing is certain: it has the power to turn any space into a stunning, inviting sanctuary. So, as you look at your own garden, fence, or home exterior, ask yourself, how can a touch of Bougainvillea elevate the space? Sometimes, a single vine is all it takes to bring warmth, vibrancy, and personality into your surroundings. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the beauty and versatility of Bougainvillea. If you found inspiration in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who appreciate great design. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and keep bringing beauty into the world.